Hi guys! I've been using Apple products for years, pretty much since the beginning, but somehow I had no idea an Apple support app existed. And after checking it out, I can't believe I wasn't using it sooner. If you've ever had an issue with an Apple product, this is the one app you need to know about. If you haven't installed it on your device, you can go to the App Store, search for Apple support, and download it. It works for iPhone, iPad, and also Apple Vision Pro. With the app, you'll get personalized device support. As soon as you open the app, you'll see all your Apple devices listed. You might see iPhone, iPad, Mac, Watch, or even AirPods. It's all tied to your Apple ID, so you don't have to dig through settings and find model numbers. Just tap the device you need help with, and it'll show you common issues, guides, and ways to get support. If your device is having issues, type the problem in the search bar and get help on that topic. It will walk you through fixes for common issues. Instead of searching all over the internet for solutions, Apple has built-in troubleshooting guides right in the app. You'll see articles related to your problem and find solutions. In most cases, you'll be able to fix it yourself without even needing to contact support. The guides are constantly updated, so if a new iOS update changes something, the fix will be updated here. If your issue can't be fixed remotely, you can book a Genius Bar appointment right here in the app. No need to go searching on Apple's website. It even finds the closest Apple store based on your location and shows you available time slots so you can pick what works for you. If your device does need repair, you can find all the options right here. It even tells you how much it might cost before you go in. If you don't live near an Apple store, the app can show you authorized repair locations that Apple trusts to fix your device. That way, you're not taking your iPhone to some random mall kiosk that might make things worse. If you have service on your device, you'll see the history listed in the Activity tab. If you do need help, you can also chat with Apple support right from the app. No waiting on hold forever or trying to find the right phone number. They also give you an estimated wait time, so you know if it's better to call or chat. And if you do have to call, the app will connect you with the right department the first time. Have you ever signed up for a free trial and totally forgot about it? Yeah, me too. The Apple Support app actually makes it super easy to see all your active subscriptions in one place. On the Manage Subscriptions tab, you can check for what you're paying for, switch to a cheaper plan if there's an option, or cancel the ones you don't want, without having to dig through settings or hunt for the cancel button. It's super handy. There's also a section to manage passwords from the app. If you forgot your password or you can't find where you wrote it down, you can reset it from within the app. You can also help someone else reset theirs if they need it. If you've ever wondered if your device is still under warranty, you can check that right in the app. It'll tell you if you still have AppleCare coverage, when your warranty expires, and what's included in your plan. And if you don't have AppleCare, but you're eligible to buy it, you might see an option to add it right there. Tap on the Videos tab to see helpful videos, even if nothing is wrong with your device. The Apple Support app has a bunch of great videos, articles, and how-to guides. You can learn about new iOS features, security tips, and even hidden tricks you might not know about. In the My Services group, you'll see all the Apple services you're subscribed to, like Apple Music, iCloud, or Apple TV+. You can check billing dates, make changes to your plans, or even cancel a subscription if you don't need it anymore. And lastly, if you're thinking about upgrading your device, you can even see if your iPhone, iPad, MacBook, Apple Watch, whatever device you have is eligible for trade-in, and even get an estimated trade-in value, all within the app. So there you have it. The Apple Support app is like having an Apple Genius in your pocket. If you've ever felt lost trying to fix an issue with your device, I highly recommend checking this out. If you already knew about the app, has it been useful to you? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. And if you know someone that could use some iPhone tips, please share it with them. See you next time.